Iliad, the Odyssey, Hamlet, and Gargantua. Even these works are 2,000 years apart, it shares one common theme that echoes throughout centuries. It is about the exploration of human nature, our complexities, and our struggle for identity. I learned throughout these stories that all of us is searching for something, but maybe some of us are unconsciously searching for it. Maybe throughout war, or towards returning home, or through revenge and self-redemption. It is one of our deepest desire to seek happiness, to seek something that will complete us, to be heard, to be seen, to be admired, and to be a part of the society as a whole. It is our nature to hide our flaws and to embrace our superiority in order for us to connect. We fight different battles, we travel different roads, but we are all the same, bounded by our insecurities, weaknesses, and suffering. The emotion that we suppress connect us. It has been told in 1,000 of stories across generations. Maybe we want to go home like Odysseus, or fight a war like Achilles, or maybe we want to travel different places to find ourselves like Gargantua, or perhaps we are deeply flawed as Hamlet. People are made of stories, just stories shapes people. It's so beautiful to imagine that partially we are them. Partially we are the books that we choose to read. We are the stories that we create. We are the friends that we have. We are them. We are one as a whole, a part of the collective human desires.